Cleanup is fun. Boo Boo learns responsibility. One sunny morning, Boo Boo was playing in the kitchen with her colorful toy blocks. She built a tall, tall tower.
Wow!
Said Boo Boo happily. But when she finished playing, the blocks were everywhere on the floor. Mama Hop smiled gently. Boo Boo, what do we do after we play? Boo Boo looked around. She saw the messy floor. She thought for a moment. Papa Hop knelt down beside her.
We clean up our toys,
He said softly.
Cleaning is part of growing up.
Boo Boo blinked her big blue eyes.
Clean up?
She asked with her pacifier. Mama Hop clapped her hands gently. Yes, let's clean together. They started singing.
Clean up, put the toys away. Clean up, we do it every day. Clean up.
Boo Boo picked up one block, then another, then another. Soon the floor was clean again. Mama Hop hugged Boo Boo. Great job! I'm so proud of you. Papa Hop smiled.
You are learning to be responsible.
Boo Boo felt happy inside. Cleaning up wasn't so hard after all. From that day on, Boo Boo always tried to clean up after playing.